Hello everyone, welcome back for another YouTube video. I'm Crypto Fraser, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about TinyMan. Now, this is the first video that I've done in a while, and I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but I've just been extremely busy doing other stuff at the minute, so I apologise for that. However, I'm going to try and be making more videos more frequently from now on. So TinyMan is the first DEX to launch on Algorand, so congratulations to TinyMan. It's an automatic market maker similar to Uniswap, and I just want to quickly go through, talk about it because I've personally used it over the past few weeks. Past couple of weeks it's been launched, and it has not disappointed whatsoever. It's now my preferred way to purchase any ASA tokens. I was using MEXC before, but now I would much rather use TinyMan, as it's just so simple and straightforward to use. Okay, so I just want to have a little look down here. They have a roadmap. So far they've completed each one. There's the mainnet launch. So in this quarter they'll be launching a full technical roadmap published. So I'll look forward to seeing that. And then in Q1 2022, they will be launching their governance token. This is something that I'm very interested in and looking to get hold of some of their tokens, because I believe this project will do very well as it's working so perfectly. And I'll show you just now how easy it is to use. The wallet that I've connected is the MyAlgo wallet, so I'll just connect there. There we go, and here we have my MyAlgo Connect wallet. So what I will be doing is, it's already connected to TinyMan, so I shall go over here, click the app, go to app, and then this will take me to the section where I can swap my tokens. I won't be swapping much, it'll just be purely a demonstration. I couldn't be bothered moving any more tokens, to be honest with you. So I'll move, so basically select here what you want to swap. So this is what I have been buying recently, and sorry about that, folks. It likes you to have, I think it's around about 8 or 9 Algorand in your Algorand Connect wallet for you to be able to make the transaction. So I quickly just had to stop there and transfer it over some more Algorand. So I've moved over 20 Algorand. So I'll do 10 Algorand. So that'll get me 14 Opulous. So I'll just then click the swap button, confirm swap. Then it'll take a wee moment. I just need to do the wee transaction from the MyAlgo Connect wallet. Approved. There we go. Sign. There we go. And the swap was completed. It took a wee moment for that, folks, but I think I'll edit that out in the video so that you guys don't have to sit and wait through it. And then what I've been doing with my Opulous is, this is just showing Algorand's DeFi space and how it is forming, shaping up quite nicely. So then I'll go over to the Yeildly page, and then down here we have all the different stake pools, so you can see which ones I'm in. So I'm in the Yeildly, Yeildly, and then the Yeildly to Opulous one. I'm in that one as well. And then I've also staked in the Opulous to Opulous. So in this one, I want to increase my stake. So I'm going to click stake, and then click 100%. It says I have none. That's because I need to refresh the page. And it'll probably ask me to reconnect my wallet. Yeah, it's doing just that. This is something that I've noticed, folks, that you need to reconnect your wallet after making a transaction like that. It's almost just like to refresh your Yeildly Finance connection with the MyAlgo Connect wallet. There we go. Unlock. There we go. So, right, then I want to click stake, and then 100%, 14, there we go, next. Take me back to the MyAlgo Connect pop-up. There we go. sign transaction. Now we know we have enough Algorand this time to be able to do this. Previously, it's not letting me do it because I haven't had enough Algorand in it, and say if I'm messing around with the no loss lottery or whatever, you need to make sure you have surplus Algorand in your MyAlgo Connect wallet so that you can make all these transactions. It costs something like I don't know, 2 transactions on the network, so like 0.002 of an Algorand or something like that. So there we go, that's it staked, and here we can see that I now have 209 Opulous staking, and that's my claimable reward so far. So there we go, folks. I hope you like this video, and I shall see you in the next one, hopefully not too soon this time. And yeah, so thank you very much, and bye for now.